Feeling lost in the lead management maze? Let's unlock the secrets of Follow-Up Boss using its visual flowchart, making your workflow crystal clear in just a minute and a half. First, let's break down the concept. A Follow-Up Boss flowchart visually maps out each stage of your lead journey. From the moment a new lead enters your system, this is your process, simplified. Typically, the flow begins when a new lead lands in your Follow-Up Boss inbox. The flowchart illustrates the immediate next steps, like automated email sequences or tasks assigned to your team. These sequences are the backbone of automation, triggered by lead source or specific actions, ensuring timely and consistent communication. The flowchart then highlights task assignments, ensuring team members know exactly when and how to follow up, preventing leads from falling through the cracks. Smart lists play a crucial role, dynamically segmenting leads based on their engagement, moving them through different stages of the flowchart automatically. Finally, the flowchart ends at the closed stage, where you track conversions, analyze performance, and refine your process for even better results in the future.